This is vlog style because I am currently on my lunch break and the mail came, and one of the extras that you could order in the add-on sale was a FabFitFun box for your husband or boyfriend or whoever him is. Anyway, this says 2 edition. I don't know what that is because I've never heard of this before. Maybe it's the 2nd edition. I'm not sure. Maybe it's the 2nd box they put out. But in any case, it took a little bit of convincing, but my husband agreed to get a box. So the only thing I did is cut the tape. And now, yeah, a note from us. Introducing limited time edition FabFitFun for him. We handpicked each item and filled with brands that you are most beloved by editors. Trust us, you're going to love this box as much as we do. Anyway, here's all the stuff. He's going to probably hate everything. You know, he's like He-Man and doesn't like frou-frou stuff, but that's okay because my son will probably like some of the stuff too. Oh boy. Okay, so I don't know. Ooh, a wallet. That's pretty nice. Let's see what else. A trial size deodorant by Salt and no, it's sunscreen stick. By Salt and Stone. I'm gonna try to put things back where they were. A bottle of beard oil and pre-shave oil. Actually, he'll probably give this to my son, although his mustache has been really, really dry. A bottle of Castile soap, all-purpose, with peppermint, men's grooming and skincare. Okay. Oh, Grown Alchemist. This is good stuff. This is a face cream that I'm going to tell him he has to give me if he doesn't use it. Hydro Repair Day Cream with Camellia Geranium Blossom. And let's see. Fat Boy, this is a hair thing. Hair pomade. He'll probably use that. And I don't know what this is. We'll have to open the last 2 items here. This does say the lighter fix it set black. I don't know. Let's take a look at that. Oh, he's gonna love this thing. It's got a flashlight and it's got a whole bunch of like knives and other implements in it. That is pretty cool. So he is gonna really like this thing. The other thing is in this box. It says beer glass. So let me take a look. There it is. That is pretty nice. I'm gonna have to rewrap it, but it's made of like some kind of plasticky material. Probably like hand wash. This will go in the dishwasher though because everything that we use goes in the dishwasher. So yeah, he'll like that. Even though he's not really a drinker, we can use this for soda too. Like down there in the bottom you could have your ice and a little bit of soda, and this is like pretty cool. So anyway, let me put the box back together and I'll go over the card. Okay, so, and here's the wallet. I didn't take it out of the packaging. I don't know if he's going to use it or not. I kind of doubt it, but if he likes it, then that'll be up to him. So, he already has a wallet he likes, but anyway, here is all the stuff that's in this box, and the Salt and Stone stick SPF is $18. The Grown Alchemist Hydra Repair Cream Camellia and Geranium Blossom is $49. PX Clothing Wallet is $40. Fat Boy Sea Salt Pomade is $21. The Pre-Shave and Beard Oil is $13.99. The Brook & Company, the Lighter Fix-It Set, he's going to love that thing. He's going to absolutely love that thing, is $39.99. And I don't know how he'll feel about the soap, but it's a man's cleaning skincare. So maybe he'll give it a try. That's $17.95. And then finally, Simply IPA Beer Glass, $27.50. I think on the whole, he's going to like most of the stuff. He'll probably say, I don't wear sunscreen and give me that. I'm sure that he might try this on his mustache, or give it to my son who does have a mustache and beard. The wallet, if he likes it, he might keep that. This, I don't know if he'll use it, but I'm sure he wouldn't be opposed to giving it to my son. If he doesn't like it, he'll probably give me this repair cream. This flashlight and tool doohickey, he is going to love this. For him, I think this is going to make the box. The Fat Boy hair pomade, he might try that. You know, I'll have to talk to him about pomade, because I don't think, you know, He-Man understands what pomade is for men. And the glass, which is actually like a lucite or plastic cup, is very nice. I think he's going to like everything in this box. Pretty much. We'll have to see. I will add a comment about what he liked, what he didn't like, and I'll post it in the description bar. So anyway, I'll pack that back up. He's at an appointment now, and when he comes back, he'll be excited to open the box, and I'll let you guys know how he feels about it. All right. Thanks, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you aren't already subscribed, please do subscribe. The fact that this came means that my FabFitFun box of mine is going to be coming very soon. So I am very excited about that. And so anyway, stick around, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and give this a thumbs up. That actually does really help. Thank you, and have a beautiful evening. Good night.